Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome back. So, turn on your videos, children. So, Aditya Raj, tell me what is the meaning of that particular statement?
Ma'am, next slide.
Yes, very good. It is used to give a new line character. That is same as your slash and your escape sequence slash and a new line. Simply, we don't need anything to display, only a new line. Then we use slash n. So, anybody has done it? Atul? Ready for the execution? Atul?
Screen sharing is disabled.
Okay, that will do. Yes, now you can share the screen. See, this is how it works. You can see the first I, this for I in range 1 comma 11, that is used in, you can see how many lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 horizontal lines indicate I. So loop should work 10 times, that is why 10 lines. Then J is used in each I, how many stars should be displayed? That is your J. Okay? For each I, how many stars should be displayed? J will be executing 10 times. Each time it will enter into the outer loop body. So each time, how many times J should be executed? 10 times. That is indicated as 10 stars in each line. So each line indicates I, each horizontal line indicates I, horizontal not line, horizontal statement, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 indicates I, and in each I 10 times star executed. That is the meaning of J. For J in range 1 comma 11, print star end is equal to this particular statement will get executed. Just a moment. What is that? Okay. Now listen. This particular statement will be executed 10 times. Each time when I becomes 1, this will be executed 10 times. So 10 stars. Then a new line. So control will go to the new line. When I becomes 2, again inner loop will be executed 10 times. That is why this. When I become then a slash n. So new line. When I becomes 3, again inner loop will be executed 10 times. Why it is executing it 10 times? Because we have given it as 1 comma 11. So 10 times. So only after executing the inner loop, only after completing the inner loop, it will go to the outer loop. That is a specialty of a nested loop. Inner loop will be executed completely. So that way, star, star, star. Okay. So basically, this nested loop is used for pattern matching. Sorry, pattern matching, displaying the different patterns. So I hope you understood this program. Any doubt? Anjo?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And now let's see, Atul, you change the range to Don't stop, don't stop. Don't stop sharing. You change the range to 1 comma j. Okay, no, leave it. Instead of star, you just write, remove the quotes, and instead of star, you write I. Don't run it now, I. What will be displayed? Any guess, anyone? Don't run. Any guess? Think. Instead of star, changing it to I. Do you have any guess? Any guess?
1 10 times, then 2 10 times.
Ah, very good. Who said that?
Me.
Huh?
Atul ma'am.
Ah, Adul itself. Okay, very good. So run it. Run. Execute. Yes. See? Actually, this 10 will be only till here. That is the problem with this. So, see, when we wrote I, so each time the outer loop, the I value is first time 1. Okay, then this will be executed 10 times. So what's the value of I? 1. So 1 will be executed 10 times. Next time when the loop continues, I becomes 2. Then inner loop will execute 10 times. So we have written print I comma end is equal to. So it will display 2. Clear, children? Is it clear? Krishna Chandran, Meenakshi, Diya, any doubt? Now change I to J. And Meenakshi, tell me what will be the output. Change I to J. Ah, yes, what you are thinking is correct. Express it, yes. Achyut, vertically it will show the numbers. What is the number? What are the different numbers? That I just want to know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
In first row. Second row?
Same.
Very good. Excellent. Run the program, Atul. Print J means each and every time when I is 1, when I is 1, this will be executed 10 times. So each and every time J's value is changing. So J's value, first value will be 1, second time J's will be 2, 3, 4, etc. 10. Then it will go to the outer loop. I will become 2. Then this will be executed 10 times. 10 times means J will be displayed. Okay? Is that clear? Mohammad Adim? Mohammad Adim. Now, Adul change the value to for J in range 1 comma I. Can you guess the output, children? Emmanuel? Emmanuel? Emmanuel?
Yes, ma'am.
What can be the change in the output? What will be the values? Okay, my question to you, Emmanuel. When I is 1, how many times this loop will execute?
1 time.
1 time. Okay. Then when I is 2, how
2
many times loop will execute?
2.
That means your display will be, run the program. Okay? Emmanuel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first time it will execute, second time 2, third time, no, that is wrong actually. Listen here. First time when inner loop execute, it will be 1, comma 1, isn't it? Will it execute? Emmanuel? When I is 1, the condition will be 1, comma 1. Any doubt in that?
No.
No. So will it execute? It won't execute. Why? Because when you write 1, comma 1 means it is wrong. It will execute only how many times? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 times. So first time this won't be executed. Okay. No output. Next time what happens? When I becomes 2, the condition will be for j in range 1, comma 2. So how many times the loop will execute? Emmanuel?
What to write on the board we can't see. I can't see.
You can't see nothing. What about others? What about others?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, stop the share screen then. Because I am writing on his screen, that's why you are not able to see anything. Okay. So then I will write it here. Uh, so the of what, not cyclone, about nested loop. Okay. See, nested for loop. Nest is your, hope you can see that.
Yes, ma'am.
So the nest is your outer for loop. See how many for loops are here? This is just an illustration. I mean, the pictorial representation of a nested for loop. So that's why it is called nested. Outer, inner for loop. Okay, next nested for loop. Then once again, another one where I have taught you about break. So I got something else, another picture for break. See the break picture, something similar here. Let's see, there it is. Each and everything has some pictorial representation. I saw something break. It was like breaking. See some pictures, representation of See, break. This is how loop breaks. Continue. Okay. Even after breaking, it is continuing. The range. Oh, that's all. So I just wanted to show you. It's a clock. So that's about your nested loops. A loop inside another loop is called as nested loop. So you can have a nested loop anywhere. You can use as normal variables. You can use as uh, are you able to see this window? You can use list, you can use tuple, you can use string, anything you can use in the loop. One comma. First, let's see what about I. Okay. These are all important programs for you. This is how you write a star design pattern. If you write in this way, what will be the output? Achyut, 1 comma I.
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know. So you don't know how the loop is working, right? Confused.
No, the earlier problems I understood. This one I didn't understand.
Outer loop each time. Okay, now listen. First case, first time, I, J, your output. What's the first value of I, Achyut?
1.
1. Condition is right or wrong? It's the entry control loop. 1 comma 5. Condition is
True.
correct, isn't it? So if the
Yes, ma'am.
condition is correct, checking condition is correct, then it will enter into the loop body. That's what we studied for loop. So it is entering into the loop body. And what is inside the loop body? Another for loop. So for j in range 1 comma I. So what's the first value of j? Achyut? What is the first value of j? Hello? What's the first value of j,
1.
Shivani? 1. So here,
1.
1 comma 1. So will the loop work? No, it won't work. 1 comma 1 means the condition is wrong, because the range function will work only till the n number minus 1. Since j became 1 and I is also 1, it won't work. It will exit from the for loop. That means this many parts will be exiting. So only print will execute. Then again the control will go to next value of I. Next value of I is 2. Then again it will enter. Since the condition is correct, it will enter. I guess it's time. Do we have one more class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that time we'll explain. So don't be absent. Those who are absent in the class, just inform others. Don't be absent in that nested loop. Okay, because it's very important. If you are not listening it properly, you won't understand how it is working. Even though then you will be thinking that. Thank you, children. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.